guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be giving you more spoilers for the Jeffree Star mystery treats for the summer of 2023, mostly because there's more spoilers out there and I just find the mystery treats to just be a better bet, a better bargain, a better mystery. Actually, I find these to be like better than any mystery treats, mostly because people aren't receiving repeated items. I think Jeffree learned from that, from the other times where people were getting like 5 of one thing, 6 of the other thing. It was like a whole thing, and even I was like, steer clear, just so you know, this might happen. You might get 10 weirdo palettes, you might get 20 of the same skincare item, you know? But this time, people aren't getting that. They're getting different items, so it's like a breath of fresh air. So I'm very excited about this. So that's why I'm making another treat spoiler video, so you can kind of get an idea of what you may get if you purchase treats, if you purchase 1 or 2, if you purchase multiple, what you may get. So with that being said, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. Do not forget to enter my giveaway. It will end on August 15th. It's an international giveaway, and I'm constantly adding more products to the giveaway. It's huge. We love it. Go enter down below. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the first one. So I'm just going to have the person up here on screen with what she had ordered. So she got 5 of each of the $6 and $12 mystery treats. So she got the Jeffree Star approved pink mascara in black, the F-proof mascara in brown, the F-proof mascara in yellow, a liquid lip in rose madder. Also love that color. A liquid lip in Hidden Hills, which I'm not familiar with that shade. I don't know what shade that is. And then the Cavity Highlighter Palette. Very, very, very great. She got the Star Ranch Mini Palette, which, remember, we got those in a mystery box. Like, everybody was guaranteed that palette. I did a couple looks on it. Honestly, it was a good palette, but it just wasn't like my fave. And then the Cremated palette, which is like my #1 Jeffree Star favorite palette. It was just so good. The Androgyny palette, and the Jeffree Star Skin Banana Body Scrub. I think she has them like, this is $6, this is $12. I think that's how she has it. And then we have the next one. Oh, and she said, overall, I'm really happy. The only things I will be giving away are the Star Ranch Mini because I already have it, and the yellow mascara because I will probably never use it. I needed a new cremated palette, and the rest of the products I have never tried, so I'm excited. 10 items for just over $100. This is actually, there's a lot, okay? For $100, 10 items. Of course, you can get more with the mystery boxes, but like body scrub, and a palette, a highlighter palette, 2 liquid lips, 3 mascaras. That's a little bit better than getting just tons of glosses, tons of lips, unless you're into that. You know what I mean? Like, we have a lot of, this was good value, okay? So anyways, let's go on with the next. I ordered these $12 treats and 2 $6 treats. Very happy with what I received. My $6 treats were Star Ranch palette, liquid lip gloss in Mannequin. The $12 treats were the Mini Nudes Volume 2 set. Stop. That's great. And the Androgyny palette. And then a Bloodlust palette, which she already has, but she's not complaining because it's better than the Blue Blood palette. You're funny. I love you so much. Bloodlust, that's the first I've seen for a $12 treat, which I've only seen 1 or 2 of the Star Wedding palettes, and there's another mini nude volume in here too, so it's really cool to see that. Let me know when you're getting them. Are yours dried out? Because I remember people complaining in one of the last mystery boxes when the mini nude bundles were in there that theirs were dry. Let me know if yours are dry for scientific research, okay? Anyways, now we have another one. I bought 2 $6 mystery boxes and 1 $12. I got the Mini Nude Lip Set. I don't know if it's volume 1 or 2. The Mini Star Ranch palette and the Cantaloupe Lip Scrub. So, interesting. Then we also have a $6 and a $12 banana body scrub and the cavity highlighter palette. All together was $72. Wait, a $6 and a $12. Is that like the total value that you got? Or was that like with shipping? Because that would be not fun. Okay, and I think we can determine that the body scrub is a $6 mystery treat. So with the other one, the pink Jeffree Star approved mascara must be the $12 one, I believe. From what I've seen before, I think that's where we're seeing that. Okay. And then we got the F-Proof mascara for $12 and a liquid lip for $6. She said not bad, honestly. So far, people are really loving their mystery treats over their mystery boxes. Of course, some of you are loving your mystery boxes. Some of you have got repeats. But for the most part, no one has really had much negative to say. I know I was a little like, ooh, bookmark. I remember somebody told me, I think it's a bookmark or something like that, and then I just kind of stuck with it in my head. But I guess it's like a phone charm, but then other people are like, it's a bracelet, it's an ankle bracelet, it's for your car mirror. Other people are just like, I don't effing know. And then the croc charms were cool in the other boxes. And then I think the one thing that you guys weren't totally into were the accessory part, except for some were like, yes, I love the croc charms. Oh, and a phone ring was also a mystery treat. So one of the black phone rings that were mystery treats heavily last time. I just remembered that. But anyways, tomorrow, or is it today? Jeffree Star's makeup and meat store is going to be opening, and that is a very interesting situation. Makeup and meat, like literally you go, you buy your makeup and you buy your meat at the same place. But then again, Walmart and Target, you know, they sell meat, they sell makeup. It's a weird concept, but like I can't wait to see like what people are going to be saying about it in, like, you know, the reviews, because you know people are gonna be there, they're gonna be TikToking, they're gonna be YouTubing, and they're gonna be like, we're here, here's reviews. I know that I saw him like saying something earlier, and I saw like a claw machine behind him, which looked really cool. Like, I don't know what's in there, but I need the tea, you guys. All of your like TikToks and stuff that you see on makeup and meat, tag me on TikTok. My TikTok's down below. It's Krystyn, just like my YouTube, but 2 N's, because I had like one that was connected to my Facebook and I couldn't get into it forever, and then I could, but I had already made Krystyn with 2 N's. So that's my TikTok down below. Tag me in all of your TikToks. Tag me in all of your spoilers, your unboxings, anything like that, or just anything you want to tag me on TikTok. Go ahead and tag me. I'm finally like getting on that TikTok trend, mostly because I accidentally got off of Farm Talk and Crackheads Driving Lawnmowers Places Talk, which is where I've been for months. So now it's like, well, my TikTok algorithm is effed, so might as well start looking up whatever I want on TikTok now. So anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that if you get a mystery treat, you enjoy it and love it, and you don't, you know, get disappointed. I feel like people who ordered multiples were the ones that weren't disappointed. So love that for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.